In the world of ultrasonic cleaning, the frequency of the transducer plays a critical role in determining what types of contaminants can be removed and the level of precision involved. Our frequency-specific transducers allow for a more consistent and superior output in relation to the competition. In our first comparison, we pit Crest's 40 kHz transducer against a competitor's 40 kHz transducer. At 40 kHz, you're looking at a great balance of power and precision, perfect for cleaning automotive parts, aerospace components, or heavy-duty equipment where you need a deep, aggressive clean. Notice the increased cavitation and energy distribution from Crest's transducer, which translates to faster, more even cleaning across the entire tank. Next, let's examine Crest's 132 kHz transducer against a competitor's 132 kHz transducer. 132 kHz is often chosen to clean highly delicate items like electronics, semiconductors, fine jewelry, or intricate medical devices. Crest's transducer outperforms the competition by generating more consistency and uniformity of ultrasonic activity, which reduces the risk of incomplete cleaning or damage to sensitive components. The superior wave action ensures a safe yet thorough clean for even the most intricate items. In this final comparison, we look at Crest's dual frequency 58 132 kHz transducer against a competitor's 80 kHz transducer. Our dual frequency output is perfect for cleaning general contaminants like grease, oils and dirt from parts with medium intricacy, as well as precision cleaning delicate items like medical devices or electronics. Compared to our competition, this Crest transducer creates more active sonic waves, ensuring greater coverage and cleaning efficiency throughout the entire tank. Our exclusive dual-frequency transducer is unique in the marketplace, and as you can see, the 80 kHz product is simply no match for our performance. Whatever the application or kilohertz range, Crest Ultrasonics delivers powerful sonic waves, enhanced tank coverage, and faster cleaning performance compared to many competitors. With Crest, you're choosing efficiency and performance designed to outperform the competition